When it's time to print your part, you want to make sure that the printing process will go smoothly. This means that you'll want to be sure you can send the file to the machine correctly, whether it's using a USB cable or thumb drive or even over the internet. Then check that the first few layers are printing properly, and continue to check on the part from time to time during the printing process. Gauging the progress at each of these stages will help ensure that your part prints as intended, or that you can cancel the print at the right time if there's an issue with the printer. 3D printing software provides a variety of ways for the print file to be sent to the machine. One of the most direct ways to send the print file is to connect a USB cable from the computer to the printer. This will allow the file to print right away. Another way for the file to be sent to the printer is by exporting the file from the Slicer software and then loading it onto a USB thumb drive. As long as the printer has an available USB port, the thumb drive can be inserted and the file can be printed. Similarly, some machines also have an available slot for an SD card. Just like the USB drive, simply export the print file to the SD card and then insert it into the printer. Additionally, some printers can receive files over a Wi-Fi network or a wired Ethernet connection. This makes it even simpler to print if both machines are using the same internet signal. Some machines have more advanced monitoring systems. Some printers have web monitoring where you can watch the progress of the print in real time from your computer, no matter where the printer is located. So you could be at the office watching a new file print at home. Some printers also have the ability to send a text message or email to the user when a print is finished, or if an error occurs and the machine needs attention. Now that I've discussed how to send a file to the printer and monitor it, I want to talk about the actual printing process. The very beginning of a print is the most important stage. This is where the first layers are formed, which is the foundation for the rest of the part. It's recommended that a user watches the first set of layers, maybe 3 to 5, to make sure that the print is running smoothly. If an issue occurs at this stage, the part most likely won't print properly. In an FDM printer, like the Ultimaker and Dremel models, the first layers must adhere to the build plate for the part to turn out correctly. For every print you do, watching the early stages will help ensure you get the result you're looking for. With the first few layers printing successfully, you can gain some confidence in the printing process. However, it's still advised that you check on the part every so often to make sure it's still on track. While the downside of not checking on a print can have minimal consequences should a part fail, it may save you time and material if you're able to stop a failed print before it spends hours printing incorrectly. Sitting near the machine during the print can also be helpful, as it may make strange sounds that indicate if a part isn't printing properly. This will allow you to easily check on it and cancel the print if needed. In general, 3D printers are fairly hands-off and can require little to no supervision when set up and started correctly.